Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the BLACK+DECKER 0.9 CU Fort Portable Washer and the LungoStar 28lb's Portable Washing Machine. Both machines are designed for small spaces, but they come with different features and capacities. Let's dive into their specifications and see which one might be the best fit for your laundry needs. When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER portable washer has a washing capacity of just 6.6 pounds, making it suitable for small loads. In contrast, the LungoStar offers a significantly larger capacity with 18 pounds for washing and an additional 10 pounds for spinning. This means the LungoStar can handle larger laundry loads, making it a better option for families or those with more laundry to do. The BLACK+DECKER model is fully automatic, meaning it takes care of the entire washing process with minimal user intervention. On the other hand, the LungoStar is semi-automatic, requiring users to manually transfer clothes between the wash and spin tubs. This can be a drawback for those looking for convenience, but it also allows for more control over the washing process. In terms of material durability, the BLACK+DECKER washer features a stainless steel tub, which is known for its durability and resistance to rust. In contrast, the LungoStar uses plastic for its tub, which may not be as long-lasting. This difference in material could be a significant factor for buyers who prioritize longevity in their appliances. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER and LungoStar portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize a compact, fully automatic washer, the BLACK+DECKER might be the right choice for you. However, if you need a larger capacity and are okay with a semi-automatic model, the LungoStar offers great value for its price. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.